decided that I wasn't going to go on the road for the rest of the year, but run out of food. So I'm gonna go out there and I am going to see what it's like on this New Year's Eve. Well, yeah, New Year's Eve. So far, I'm gonna really see nobody on the road. Most people I think probably not gonna work. Them take the day or they don't have to work today. So we're gonna see. I'll show you what the supermarket looks like as well. Alright, so we're here. There's really not many persons on the road, not many vehicles, and not many persons parked at the supermarket either. I figure that everybody is sleeping and getting themselves ready for the big bashment stuff later on. I think you have Vibes Cartel, Freedom Street, all sorts of New Year's Eve parties and church services. So just want to get off the road before the madness starts. Guinness smoothie. Some of the regular Guinness. We need to make a little punch. My mother used to make with pumpkin, carrot, Irish, and she put supplegen in it, and I put Guinness as well. How much for one here? One little mite. So we can do it without pear. One pear. What's your apple? And grapes. Yeah, but cannot. I did not remember to record in the supermarket, but basically everything came up to 5,900 and something. I bought some saltfish, some sour mackerel, some hot dog rolls, crackers, soup mix, Lasco, big pack of Lasco, banana chips. About 3 of these. I just like the national banana chips. Them taste like banana. Make them. Crackers. And in this bag, I've tried this once and I like it. Purple sweet potato chips. Bun. Also buy for my friend who comes over. Supplement to banana punch. Coconut powder, some yogurt, and tuna. That's it. Oh, banana bread and some fries. Because my nephews are over, so at the house I think we can do chicken and fries or something like that. That's it. 6,000. Call it $6,000. I don't think that was too bad. That wasn't too bad.
Very far. No, there's not a Bible is purely for illustration purposes. Please welcome God. Please welcome Kevin. Now, so the Bible says, in the beginning, God created man in his image and so simply put, God created Kevin to think and function like who? To think and function like? And God gave dominion to Kevin. Because when God said, you can think and function like me, it therefore means you now have the legal right to represent me. I came in here and I greeted many people and I hugged some of my friends and something happened. I hugged one person and somehow that person's cologne or perfume rubbed off on me. So much so when I entered here, I knew what I smelled like.
I am the place where your heart can be still. I am the place where your heart can be still.
And when we went on there, he said, I'm not going to buy the shares from you. He said, I'm going to give you the money. He said, clear this one off. Clear him off. And we called him. And I said, because you mentioned God's name. You just want them to disrespect God. And he cleared that institution off. God, I want you to write this down. There's no such thing on earth that is as powerful as an idea. So it's in me.
So, you know that a wise man once said, if you ask God, what's happening in the world? You know what he's going to say to you? What's happening? I am happening. I happen. So we need to learn to say that. Somebody say, I am happening. I am what is happening. Somebody say, walk on. Say, what is going on? Do you mean what is happening? Yeah, walk on. I am what is going on. Because God has dominion and it's in me.